Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Samsung Galaxy M51. So first of all, we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. It's a bit hidden. So at the cover here you will find an instruction box, so just go like this to remove it like that. And on the back of the instruction box you will find the SIM ejection tool. Just go like this and you will have it. Yeah, otherwise you could use also, of course, the edge of a paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And below the SIM tray there's a little hole in there, and with the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip you enter that hole, press a bit and the SIM tray will come out. So what's very nice on that SIM tray is that you can insert two SIM cards if you want next to a micro SD card. So very nice. So let's start with the first nano SIM card. So you will put it here in the middle. That's the first one here. So missing corner on missing corner. And the contacts are below. So in case you want to add a second SIM card, it is possible here. You will put it here in the first position like this. So this is the place for the second one. You will need also a nano SIM card. So missing corner on missing corner. And as you can imagine, the contacts are also below. So, and if you want, of course, it's optional as well. You can add a micro SD card here in the last position. Like this. So it has to look like this then. Of course, you can use the micro SD card also with just one SIM card or alone if you want. So, and the contacts are here also below. Okay, and after you put your construction back in the phone like this, shake a bit, but take care that nothing jumps out, and that's it. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or may just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.